Hey people, so this magical place is called the Daniels Cricket Academy. And Ayush, what's your opinion of this place?
This is good.
Yeah?
I don't like cricket though.
Yeah.
And I'm upset with the whole country.
And you were upset with the whole country?
And now I upset with the full country.
Okay. What I'm thinking is, that's what I love, to take my little rabbits to places that are new, and she's the most intelligent of the rabbits. So Ayush here, she's come out of her cage. So we have to just be alert. Ayush says he'll climb this tree and he wants to pose with the rabbit, which I will, I want my child to climb a tree. I think it's an experience that a child should have in his life.
I already did.
Yeah, but you can still try again, Chona.
But then,
But this lady being out of her cage, is it safe?
no.
Okay, then you might as well put her in. But I want her to explore.
No, there's dog right there looking.